In this session, we'll be seeing a most requested video, that is, what is that 5 settings which we have to check before printing. So there are a number of things or a number of issues while we are printing through Excel, means Excel, printing an Excel worksheet. So in this session, we'll be seeing what is that things which we have to ensure before giving a print. Here I'm giving a sample what you will be learning in this session. Say for example, many a times we want our file to be perfect. We want our documents to, give a impression to the readers, say it is printed perfectly, right? So that time, here I'm showing a document where you can see there is a headers on my custom basis, whatever I wanted to print, and there are date, even the footer as well, and you can see even the page number. All this customization with the perfect conclusion of start and end as well. You can see if I go to next sheet, it is continuation of it. So you can see it's perfectly organized and it is ready to print. I'll just give you a sample. I'll just zoom in the sheet. You can see it has giving a perfect heading, left heading, that is testing header, and it's a custom header, and whatever you want to put, your company logo, your company name, anything you want to put, and you want to put your custom name to that, and same to the footer as well. You can see the date is there, even you can put your sheet name, etc., and you can put your page number as well. You can see it's perfectly aligned and perfectly organized, so that whenever a reader is holding a sheet, he knows it is printed perfectly. So you want to learn all these things, kindly watch the video till the end. You'll be able to get complete knowledge of how to print a Excel perfectly. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section if you want any particular video in Excel. So first and foremost, we'll be selecting a data, or just uh, click anywhere in the Excel, go to File, Print. So as soon as you click on print, a file gets loaded and you can see how the paper, or on the media, how the image will be printed. For example, this portion of the Excel, or this portion of the screen which you are seeing, is print preview. So how the print actual document looks like. So there are a number of options where you can alter based on your needs and how the document which you want to get the same printed. So for example, this is a document where you have 3 plus 3 1 7 columns in a portrait mode. For example, you don't want it in portrait mode, you want it in a landscape. So as soon as you click on landscape, it takes few seconds of time and it changes the entire printable data into a landscape mode, so that accordingly you can use the data for printing your data. Seeing how to add header and footer while printing a document. So in this session, we will try to select the data, click on File, select Print. So in this, we'll kind of do a customization that we'll do only a printing of selection. So it came. So how to add header? Just simple. You have to click Page Setup. You are seeing 4 tabs in that: header, bar, footer. In that, it as of now it is none. Just select page 1 and custom header. Let's say test print header. This will be in the left section. Then click OK. Same for the footer. Page 1, custom footer, Excel training test footer. OK. OK. So as soon as you press OK, you can see it has added header and footer. So this is how you customize the header and footer while giving a print. So after that, just you can click on print. So based on the selection of the printer, it will give the print to the printer. Different options which you have while printing an Excel workbook. So we are in the print screen. So here in print screen, you can see on the left side options, which are the default options in Microsoft Excel, for which you can customize your print document. So first and foremost is print active sheet. So it gives an option where you can print the entire sheet, worksheet, or you can print only the selected items of your document. And second one, for example, now as of now there is only one document which is only part of the document it is selected, only that it will be coming. So for example, I have selected only this much: file, print, print selection. So only a selected part of the document is being printed. And you have options of margins, where narrow margin which reduces the margin, and you have a wide margin which gives more margin on all the sides of the document, and one is the normal which is a default one. And the last is scaling, whether see, for example, the data which I am printing, let's say print active sheet, you can see the data is coming for the two sheets, one of two, and second sheet it is giving only a printing of half of sheet. So I want all the document to be printed in one sheet, so I'll go for scaling. Fit all columns in one page means all the 7 columns, or if it is more than that, to all the columns in one sheet itself, or all the rows in one page. So if I click all the rows in one page, you can see the second page is gone and all the document is being tried to print in the same sheet itself. So based on your requirement, or based on your adjustment, or based on your needs, you can change, customize by changing margins, scaling, by selecting what media, what content to be printed, and you can even change the orientation of the page.